Hello everyone, I am Rupali Paul, the undergraduate student of Shahjalal University of Science and Technology. Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into a super important topic for researchers, analysts and data enthusiasts: the nature, sources and types of data and measurement scales. So, let's start with importance of data in research. Think about this. Every major decision from crafting economic policies to launching new product relies on data. Let's start with a simple question. What is data? Data is information collected for analysis and interpretation. In research, it's the foundation that supports our conclusions. Without data, we can't test theories, build models, or develop effective policies. Imagine trying to reduce unemployment without knowing the current employment rates. You would be working blind. Good research starts with collecting the right data from the right sources and applying the right techniques to analyze it. There are four main types of data. Each one gives unique insights of and requires different analysis techniques. First one is time series data. This is data collected over regular intervals of time. Examples include daily temperature readings, monthly sales reports, or yearly GDP figures. It helps us understand trends, seasonality, and changes over time. Techniques used for analysis include time series forecasting, moving averages, and trend analysis. Second one is cross section data. This is data collected at a single point in time. Think of a population census or a survey measuring customer satisfaction on one specific day. Cross section data is ideal for comparing different subjects at the same moment. Third one is pooled data. Pooled data is a mix of time series and cross section data. For example, studying the income levels of multiple countries over the last 10 years combines both time and cross sectional perspectives. It's used to capture patterns across groups over time. Fourth one is panel or longitudinal data. This is a special kind of pool data that tracks the same subject over multiple time periods. Imagine a medical study that follows the same group of patients over 5 years. Panel data helps us understand how things changes at the individual level over time, making it valuable for tracking long-term effects. These four types provide different angles for understanding patterns and relationships in data. Picking the right one ensures you are asking the right questions. Where does all this data come from? Broadly, we have two sources: secondary data and primary data. Secondary, secondary data is the data that has already been collected by someone else. Examples include government reports, data from IMF or World Bank, and company financial statements. The benefits: it saves time and resources. However, secondary data may not be tailored to your research needs and can sometimes be outdated. Second one is primary data. Primary data is collected directly by the researchers for a specific purpose. Methods include surveys, interviews, focus groups, and direct observations. The advantage of primary data is its relevance and accuracy for your research questions, but collecting it can be time consuming and expensive. Understanding these sources is crucial because it affects data reliability, collection methods, and the insights you derive. So, let's talk about measurement scales. These determine how we analyze data. There are four major scales, each offering different levels of precision. Let's go through with nominal scale. The simplest form. It categorizes data into distinct groups without any order. Examples include gender, blood type, and yes or no answers. Techniques are mood frequency distribution and chi-square test. Second one, ordinal scale. Here, data has a meaningful order, but the gaps between values aren't equal. Think of ranking your favorite movies. You know which one is number one, but you don't know how much better it is than number two. Here are techniques: median, rank order correlation, and non parametric test. Third one is interval scale. Now we are adding precision. Interval data is ordered. The gap between values are meaningful, but there is no true zero. Temperature in Celsius is a classical example. Techniques mean, standard deviation, correlation, and regression. Here is ratio scale, the most advanced scale. It has order, meaningful differences, and a true zero. Examples includes income, weight, and height. Techniques are everything from the interval scale plus ratio and percentage changes. Choosing the right measurement scale is crucial because it determines which statistical methods you can apply and how you interpret results. So, what have we learned? We explored four types of data: time series, cross section, polled, and panel data. We learned about two data sources: primary data and secondary data. And we broke down the four measurement scales: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Understanding this concept is essential for conducting meaningful research. The right data types, source, and scale unlock new insights and ensure your analysis stands on solid ground. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future content. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, happy researching.